Today I'm going to show you a fun little app that's going to allow you to create short little entertaining videos to open a lesson or engage your students. This is another flipped classroom tutorial. Now the app I'm going to show you is so easy to use that it makes it fun. Now one example of such videos created with this app is right here, and I'm going to show you right now. Happy New Year. And that's it. I made this little video in about 30 seconds tops. Now how do you do that? Very easy. Now the app is called Ditty, and Ditty is available on both iOS and Android. So hop over to their website, tap the App Store or Google Play icon, or you can find it in the description below as well. Now once you've clicked on that, you're going to install the app, and let's have a look at what the app does. Now I already have the app on my home screen right here, so let's go ahead and open up the app. And here we go. Now as you can see, there are three main tabs. There is the Posts tab. Now the Posts tab, these are all your public ditties. Ditties you've made and shared with the world. Private are ditties that you've made previously and you have not shared them. And then we have the liked ditties. Now the liked ones are ditties created by other creators and you've liked these ditties. Now where might I find these? I can hear you think. Well, when you tap the home button, this is where you can see ditties created by other people. And you can also go to discover to discover new ditties and do a quick search or look at the trending hashtags. Now I'm going to create my very own ditty and show you just how quick it is to create one. Simply tap the plus icon and type the text that you want Ditty to sing. So I'm going to say, hello everyone. There we go. I can now tap on this little drop down arrow in the top and select the song that I want Ditty to use. Now as you can see, there's lots of songs available. You can explore, you can go to my songs, you can purchase new songs, or you can simply use one of these free songs, which I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to click on next. And as you can see, it is now turning this into a live ditty. Resolution. Resolution. Follow everyone. Follow everyone. Resolution. Follow everyone. Resolution. You live in a different world. Now once finished, you can obviously add your own GIFs to that, or you can go to the library or record a little video. Now for now, I'm going to leave it at what it is. I'm going to go to next. I now have the option to either add a filter by swiping left or right, or I can go straight for the post button. Now I can either post this, as you can see it's preparing my ditty, I can post this to all your social media, or you can save it into your Google Drive. And there we go, I can now upload this to Google Drive, which is what I'm going to do right now. Save to Drive and save. This is now being uploaded, and I can now go into my Google Drive, and you will see that I have a new ditty right here that has just been created. This has taken me less than a minute to create. And I can now simply download this video and share it with my students. So, Ditty, a very easy to use, powerful application that allows you to create fun little engaging videos, great for lesson starters, opening questions, maybe a starter of a nice little group discussion. You can do anything you want with this app. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it wherever you want. If you want more of these videos weekly, then simply tap that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get notified of new uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.